In this video we'll make a double smash burger. Let's get cooking. Drop a 65-gram beef meatball onto each preheated frying pan, and smash with a burger press or a spatula wrapped in lightly oiled greaseproof paper. Season the smashed patties very generously with sea salt and black pepper and cook for about 90 seconds. Scrape the burger patties from the pan with a spatula. Flip and top each patty with a cheese slice. Cook for another 90 seconds. As the smashed burger patties cook, get your burger bun warm and toasted. Scrape one cooked burger patty from the pan and place it on top of the other. Add the top half of the burger bun. Scrape the burger patties from the pan and layer carefully on the bottom bun half. Wrap in foil and set aside to rest for 2 minutes. Your double smash burger is ready to serve. Enjoy!